The Igodo. They say that the Biafra army don't reach that side though. They say that as it stand like this, he said they are ready to defend their land. That those state is Igodo land. My people, he say na Biafra territory. As with the talk right now, see soldiers will come outside for there. They say they be Biafra armies for inside Igodo. This one na for those state where they happen. My people, as that one they happen, they say there is a temple run in Imo State right now as we dey talk. As this one again can dey happen, they say that for inside the northern Nigeria now, how they take the farm, as women dey farm, now the soldier carry kalashi, they wait for them, for the people wan come buy the farmers. Very soon hunger wey go dey for this country go too much because not be every farmers go fit afford these securities. My people, let us go and watch the video of the Biafra army so wey emerge from Igodo land today before we come back and continues.
Person wey carry am, and motor dey kill the owner. I no know front, I no know back. I'm to save you. Your own is to obey me and to show me love, and I will show you love. If you say that you are not Edo State, if you say that you are not Biafra, I'm here to tell you, if you know where you belong to, carry your bag, go there. If you say that you are not Biafra, that Igodo is not Biafra, pack your luggage and leave our land. If you refuse to leave our land, the land of Igodo will swallow you. The land of Igodo will swallow you. I'm here to tell you that whenever time you see us on the road, we are for you, to protect you. We are not your enemy, you are not our enemy. Only if you can obey our order. I'm to greet Prophet Mazen Namudu Ukalo. I'm to greet Samuel Eba and greet Biafra Seed and the lovers of Biafras all over the world. IBF, IBF, holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Nnamdi Kanu is another Savior. Holy, 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 Onimeko Joko is another Savior. Holy, 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 is another Savior. Holy, 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 is another Savior. Holy, 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 is another Savior. I thank my people once again. In this land of Benin, if you know that you are Fulani Janjaweed, from now to ending of this month, pack your bag and carry your cow and leave our land. If you refuse this my order, this land will swallow.
My people, let us also watch the temple run we broke out for inside Ihiala. Just watch the video before we come back and continue.
As you can see, there is run everywhere now. People are running, people are running, people are running. People are running. We are at Ihiala. Unknown gunmen. Unknown gunmen right now. People are running everywhere. It's unfortunate. My God. My God. My God. My God. My God. We are running. We are going for a condolence, a burial. And the vehicle just stopped and at Ihiala bus stop. Running. We are just hiding now inside the bush. My God. My God. The soldiers have run away. Soldiers have run away. Bullets everywhere, gun fire. People on the run. Jesus. 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 We are hiding somewhere now. We are hiding inside a bush. The non-gunmen blowing everywhere. The soldiers have all run away. I am somewhere hiding now. I'm somewhere hiding. The bullets firing up and down. Jesus. Jesus. They say it's a non-gunmen. And the soldiers have all run away. My God, my first time of witnessing this kind of a thing. We are going for condolence. The chairman of my yard burying his father-in-law. And we chartered a vehicle, Sienna bus. My God. Our vehicle, I don't know what is happening there now. Along the road. Roads have been deserted. Everybody have scattered. God, this is wonderful. My God, Jesus. Let me continue hiding here. My God.
Welcome back, my wonderful people. Please, before we proceed to the next update, I want you guys to go and follow our new page, Balabas Gist Vlog. Take that page to 5K immediately, guys. We did it before. Last 3 weeks we did it, but the people who don't like, say this social media. Sometimes we where they carry news, we go talk this one news, we go carry enemy. We go talk the other one, they go still carry enemy. But not go stop us. They bring updates. Now our work. So if you bring the one way like, if you just give them thumbs up and share them and pass. Without finding it offensive. Now, social media, they work, but most of them, I don't know. They say, Balabas, you are doing this, Balabas, you are doing. If you come put the one away for the person, Balabas, God bless you. The same people. So, my people, I beg, wanna go follow that page immediately. Balabas Gist Vlog for Facebook. Let us take it high. And let me bring this update for you to show you how the farmers in the north are not going to farm. Just watch the video. You will see that the women are working while the security men are guiding them. This is the situation in the north right now. So very soon, they will have shortage of everything over there. And you know what it means for the country Nigeria? Ago, na be hunger. Watch the video before we come back and proceed. So my people, as you can see, the farmers are here working by, and the security, our security, they here, they protect them by, because all those boys, if you come from anywhere, our farmers must work. Our farmers must do the needful. Men hungry, no go buy everybody for this country. So now the level where we find ourselves, with the shout Buhari, now Tinubu don't come, everything done there was. The insecurity don't increase. So now the video be this. Welcome back, my wonderful people. As when I don't watch that video and I don't see say that this is the level where Nigeria find yourself right now with the talk. I think say with the level of education where the Yorubas they claim, but he say by now that would have be a proper solution to the insecurity, to the agitations that is happening. But the Tinubu used to choose oppression to silence the people by force. So how do you achieve peace with violence? How do you achieve peace? By not negotiating with the indigenous people. I know that these people they are calling bandits, they are agitating for something. And I believe what they are agitating for is to have their Islamic state over there. So if we get to this point, then what is the solution? Because I know some Yorubas will say no, the Igbos will say no, the other tribe will say no to Islam. I say, okay, now, what is the solution? May everybody carry chabi, go in Papa house, go sit down. But they don't want to discuss it because they are chopping oil money. They are collecting money. And the youth have given up on everything concerned. Now the youth are struggling in social media and different platforms, doing things. They forget to fight for their right. So everybody have taken struggle as his own logo in Nigeria. So Nigeria is not getting better anytime soon. There is not going to be, you can never see Nigeria youth coming together again to protest, because the kind of tribalism, divide in Nigeria now is not like this years back. So everything will continue going worse and worse, and there is no solution to this problem. The only one solution there is round table, releasing Nnamdi Kanu, dialogue. Let people, do you know that if there is a proper dialogue today in Nigeria, then everybody find everything going on. Okay, now we have full control of our resources, we can do this. Do you know, just give it 1 week, all this insecurity we see will disappear. Because the people know who are those peoples. People know them. It will disappear. But as long as we find ourselves in this particular point, every part of Nigeria now is feeling it. So when people will feel it more is when you see it happen in the cities of Abuja, Lagos. You see everybody will be running kiti kata kata. And it is coming gradually to that point. My people, I want to share the video and follow the page so that we will grow and grow our community together. Thank you so much for watching. We'll quickly see you for another update.